Hey guys, just want to show you progress in removing scratches from IH3, and it looks pretty good at this point. And this is how it looked before. This one is after using 2000 and 3000 sandpaper. And this is what I'm actually playing with, starting with Meguiar 105 Ultra Cut. Tried others, scratch remover, not sure, it didn't look like work very well. And used polishing, tried Ultimate Compound, and actually finished with waxing Meguiar. Tried Turtle as well. So tried different things with my polisher, very basic entry level, nothing special, 1 speed. I'll put together video what I did once I figure out the best way to do it. The other side is still scratch a lot. So anyway, looks pretty good. Love it. Look at this shiny. I'll put together how-to video once I develop the best way to do it. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Cheers.